Join us as we pack up the van and head to Spanish Banks for coffee and breakfast. One of the nicest stretches of beach in Vancouver, Spanish Banks is located along Marine Drive West. During the summer, it can get quite busy. Not so much on a rainy Sunday. Our Bluetti power station is the heartbeat of our van. Without it, we couldn't have delicious coffee at the press of a few buttons. Today, we're trying out a new French vanilla blend. Now that the summer is winding down, once again, we will pivot and start enjoying more trips like these. People pay for views like this. On the menu today, scrambled eggs, sausages, pancakes, and of course coffee. We made a few friends today. They all loved our van. Thanks, T. One more cup, and then on to the next.